welcome back to Dream of Do It Travels. I'm Ryan.
I'm Erin. Today we're at Disney's Animal Kingdom and we're going to have dinner at Rainforest Cafe.
Yeah, this is one that's kind of a chain restaurant. There's 2 locations on property, one here at Animal Kingdom and another one at Disney Springs.
Yeah, we've never been to this one. A lot of reservations available. They're open breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
It's been years since we've eaten.
Oh yeah, probably 10 or 11 years ago we ate at the one at Disney Springs. Haven't been back. Just because there's a lot more unique offerings here. Like you said, it's a touristy kind of place. They're in a lot of major travel cities, so...
Part of the Landry's crew.
Yeah.
We're gonna go give it a try. Why don't you come along with us?
And the restaurant is located in the front of Animal Kingdom outside of the gates, so you can still come here even if you do not have a park ticket for the day.
And even though you don't need a park ticket for this one, you don't need one for Disney Springs either. And they have a volcano that shoots like fire and smoke out. It's pretty cool. I would check that one out.
We started with a couple drinks. I just got a traditional frozen pina colada, and Ryan got what's called a rainbow colada.
It's good. It's not very sweet. I like it.
Mine is a rainbow colada, and it has Captain Morgan in it, spiced rum, strawberries, bananas, pina colada mix, and pineapple juice. I don't know if I would get this again. It was just okay. Just a fair warning, this happens every 30 minutes inside the restaurant.
got the awesome appetizer adventure to share that comes with chimichangas, spinach and artichoke dip, cheese sticks, and chicken strips. This was all pretty good. I really liked the chimichangas the best. Those are like the deep fried egg rolls. They had like black beans and corn in them. Everything else was pretty good, but nothing outstanding on its own.
I agree with Aaron. Those were probably the best. The disappointing part was there was only like 2 chicken tenders.
I ordered the pastalaya, which is shrimp, sauteed chicken, bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, andouille sausage, and a hot and spicy Cajun sauce over linguine. Overall, this is pretty good, maybe lacking a little bit of salt on the pasta, but the shrimp and the sausage, it all added some big bold flavors. Does have a little bit of heat to it.
I ordered the jerk chicken and shrimp pasta. This is very creamy. It's a little hard to pick up the noodles on your fork, but I do enjoy the dish. It has a nice little bit of heat to it, but not too much. And overall, I'm enjoying it, and I think I would order this again. Keep in mind, this is a special though. There was nobody out here, but they had this nice, cool outdoor like bar and seating area. I don't know why nobody was enjoying this. This is a nice little section.
All right, well, we just finished up with our meal. I thought everything was good, but I mean, this place is kind of the Applebee's of Disney.
Yeah, that's what I think of it. Just like that typical kind of chain food. Like, it's not bad, but doesn't leave you running back for more. Now, my pasta was spicy, so I know sometimes you get people that warn you about Disney spicy. It was actually spicy, like on that kind of like cayenne pepper.
Yeah, mine had some heat to it as well. I did enjoy the dish. It just, I don't know. It was something different in the sense that, like, there's not a lot of pasta dishes that you get at a theme park.
Yeah, we were just kind of looking for something different, something easy to get a reservation tonight, and this worked out. So, not upset that we came. We actually purchased gift cards at Sam's Club, a little tip. I think we got $100 in gift cards for $80, and then used our annual pass discount on top of that. So there's definitely deals to be had here.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not going to be running to come back here, but if it's something that you're into, and then also if you have kids, the atmosphere is really cool for kids.
But could also be scary.
Could be.
For kids, maybe too.
I mean, with the storms and stuff. Yeah. You know your kid better than anybody else, so you'll know if they're into it or not.
But a lot of cute stuff in the gift shop, stuffed animals and clothes and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, they really push their merch.
Yeah. But I'm glad we came. It's been, like we said earlier, a long time since we've been here. Glad we came back.
And this is one of two locations.
Yeah, this is the Animal Kingdom location. There's also one at Disney Springs. We've been to that one, never been to this one though.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. We enjoyed making it. And just remember,
If you can dream it,
you can do it.
good night.
See ya.